In this video, I'm gonna be revealing what's inside a power bank. Yup, a power bank. So you all been wondering what's inside a power bank. You've been using this power bank to charge your phone like for decades now, for years now. But you all actually know what's inside of it. So today I'm gonna be showing you. So chat, I look-y couldn't find a power bank, so we're gonna be using this. Yeah, I know, but like we're gonna be using this to divide the power bank. So chat, this is a power bank and this is the divider, or like you call this a cutlass or match it. Let's get divided. First, chat, do not try this at home. Anyone watching this, don't try this at home. Before continue watching this video, I just wanted to remind you to subscribe. We are currently at 1,026 subs. I really want to get to 1,100. So if every single one of you watching this video hit that subscribe button and turn on this post notification bell, that'll mean a lot. Do it. Chat, I'm truly careful because I don't want this to hurt me. We don't know what's inside. I don't want anything burning me, alright? Never, don't attempt this at home. Okay. So this is what we got. This is what we got, whatever this is. So I guess these wires are like for like, oh, I hate things sticky. I guess these wires are for like this cords and stuff like that. It's for y'all. Dude, I'm low-key scared, honestly. I'm low-key scared because like this is the progress we've made. So chap, I think we've done it. We now know what's inside a power bank. Let me show you. So we got this. I think this is the battery. It's the battery. Then I think whatever this is, I think it's from the USB port. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Then we got this. And this little foam right here, whatever this is. This is what we got. This is literally your power bank. So there is no need of dismantling your own. Subscribe for more videos like this. In my next video, I'm gonna give you a house tour and revealing my pet. And yeah, we're trying to reach 1,000.1 subs. So it will be a lot if you subscribe. So subscribe. See you in the next video.